We've successfully operated our fully invisible stealth fighter jet.
That's it.
Where is the jet, sir? Where is the jet, sir?
We weren't joking when we said it was invisible.
As you can see, the invisible stealth fighter jet is literally invisible, first off, and it can take off vertically.
Yeah, our targets didn't even see us coming, man. We literally flew right over them and executed the plan.
We crushed them totally. Their banana supplies are crippled. They are never going to recover from this.